Login and landing page. Welcome to Inventory Vision, the advanced AI solution for neural stock verification. Let's log in and see how we turn visual data into accurate inventory insights. Uploading photos. Batch selection. Starting a new audit is seamless. Under the configuration panel, simply upload your batch images. Whether it's a warehouse shelf or a retail display, the system handles multiple scenes simultaneously. AI processing. Neural engine. Once uploaded, we trigger the Run Audit Batch command. Our Pro V3 neural engine goes to work, scanning every layer of the image. It doesn't just look, it understands, identifying SKUs and counting units with surgical precision. Data analysis and verification. Switching to the Vision tab, you can see the neural detection overlay in real time. The AI categorizes items by style, wash, and fold type. Every detection is logged in the data table, providing a status audit from confirmed to probable for total transparency. Generating reports, CSV, and PDF. Now, let's turn those visuals into results. With a single click, you can consolidate your totals and export a comprehensive report. Choose between Excel, PDF, or CSV formats to instantly sync with your existing management software. Conclusion: real data, no estimates. Inventory Vision makes stock taking fast, digital, and error-free. Your audit is complete.